yung akala mo, nandito ka na sa taas. Hindi pa pala. Kasi, aakyat ka pa. Ay. Imaginein mo, araw-araw mo tong gagawin. Ay, I can't believe it. Nakakahilo. Stop muna tayo dyan. Okay. I think I can't handle it anymore. Let's just take a rest.